Hey people, see ya. I'm a chef in a kitchen in a house. I'm a chef. Do you wanna know to show you say the place stand like this after we go shopping and come back and so forth and make dinner everything, so she a try to do her thing. The boy them not even eat them dinner. See them now? You have them coloring pencil them same place. And all that. You know. But anyways, we are making bun. I said we are making bun. Me? You know I make no bun. And Joanna make it. See how she do it, yeah? Edge of duty, you see?
Sugar.
You got some sugar here, so see there? Because she know what more mouth knows about sugar.
Guinness.
Guinness, me I drink one of them.
And egg.
You alright? I go pop them Guinness here for Joanne. I'm going to ease them. Yeah. We're going to easy, you know. Can't.
Is that one full already?
Eh?
That one full already?
No. Okay, what's on? Get trouble. Wait. One song we have to sing right here though, you know. So red wine.
No, I'm full of one here.
Right, there we go. We might get that one here. After all. Well, you say you want egg? Egg white?
3 egg.
Full egg?
Yeah.
Alright. No, say me are the original egg whisperer, you know? Original egg whisperer. Sweet. Why? My boy, they're not ready for them not training here yet. You know? They're not ready for training them here yet. See them, sister. Yeah, pull. Oh.
Too sweet.
That's already too sweet, Joan. I think you need to put no more sugar in it. One not have it too sweet, you know.
I don't want it too sweet. What? 2 cups of sugar in there already. You see me tell us I'm jarring cup of it. See 1 cup of it.
So 2 pounds?
So I put 2 cups.
Or 2 cups, what way the value in a pound.
In a pound, or 16.
There we go. My mother said 2 eggs, you know, but I feel like a 3 for going there now.
No, 2 me tell you. A 3 me tell you, so I must be feel like a 4, but I can't see.
Hey people, see that? I have best egg cracker around this place here. One smack. Ooh. Here we go, 3 eggs. 3 eggs. 3 eggs. We go whisk them. And we are doing it the old fashioned way. Using the fork. We take the eye out of it. The eye. Yeah, that's what they call it, the eye. From the egg. Old fashioned way we are do the thing. Oops. Take the eyes from the egg. Yeah. Then we go. Just like I'm a machine right now. There we go with the marmalade. We put marmalade, yeah? Marmalade in this bun. Just a 1/4 cup, alright? I'm going. Yeah. I live in America and I have to use my hand to whisk egg. You know? Old fashioned way. We're doing it the old fashioned way. Anybody want to talk? Talk. Full of business. Alright, see we still. Yeah, go on. Now put some rum in there, Joan. Rum in a bun. How we going? Joan, when me can stop? No more. When me can stop? When me can stop? This is a huge scramble egg for me, you know. Tell you. Here goes. Joan is going to bake like 10 bun with this mixture. 2, 1, 2. You want the egg in it?
Yes.
Hey, we go pour. Whee! Nice and nice and nice. And because of me, if me not put my hand in there, it not taste good, me not great time not make it, Joan. Normally, me not do nothing for Joan, so. Now what me I do, so? You're not Meg.
No, no.
Joan, that's your nutmeg. One little bump on nutmeg we have enough people.
No.
And Joan, that's you, yeah?
This is not me.
No. Oh. A little bump of the flavor. And we got it. Great at this. Yeah. Go good. Yeah. Put nutmeg all over this. Nutmeg. Nutmeg. We call it nothing egg in a Jamaica, yeah? That's how we do.
This vanilla.
We got vanilla extract over there. Yeah? You want to go measure that now?
Yeah.
And Joan is a big celebrity on the channel, you know? Big celebrity on the channel.
This is 2 teaspoons. 1,
Oh my God.
2,
Yeah, grow some muscle. Now look on it.
3,
Growing muscles.
3.
Here we go.
And this one is
Oh my God. Whole
salmon.
fashion. The whole way of doing things, yeah? Oh my God. I remember the days. The stories Joan used to bake cake. And even though we work so hard, we still get the big pot and the spoon. Even my niece Kayla talk about the big pot and the spoon in our one piece she do on my channel, Edge of Duty, yeah? They don't want no dinner, Joan. Don't eat alone, him eat so many things. Cover this up. I will use this.
Alright, everything in it is in it now. Everything tight.
Yeah, you mix it. You put salt in there. Pinch of salt.
Yep. So we put a
So
little.
people, we go pour the flour into the wet mixture. Yeah! Ah! Now, John, mind not making it lump up, you have to mix it too. Take time, mix it. If you say you need that fork, you know.
You mix it?
To mix. When I use the fork, because of the space between the teeth, it helps to mix it smoother. Anyways, people, old fashioned way, we are doing it. We don't buy no baking, nothing yet. Doing it the old fashioned way. No.
What?
Joan, no! You have boiled it, Joan.
I tell the people next to me, when you go and mix it out then, a spoon me use.
Yeah, spoon good, what if I tell you, a new technology now. New technology, take out the lump them and take.
Alright, well, go ahead.
Take out the lump them. And here come trouble. The trouble them a come now, yeah? Them a come back again. John, I honestly think that this have too much juice enough for the risk. Yeah. John couldn't believe how fat I used to make this so mild. You know? Keep going, keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more long. Yeah, we have to make a mess anytime man do anything, you know. Yeah. People, a long time I do them, I'm tired.
I'll me tell this guy, say no, he mix it something so. Until I mix it so. So you go.
Alright, do you want to take a mix?
Me nah finish
Because
it.
me bring it this far.
No, that's a thing you go so.
Because me bring it this far. Because I brought it this far. Yeah? Is that ready? Right, look to me as if it's ready.
You throw the rest of flour in there.
Alright.
6 cups of flour to 2 here.
People, you hear that number there? And that's how me do it, you know. Me make one cake, and if some left over,
A bun where I make that, I don't care.
I mean bun. Or somebody can just go cheat and give some bun. No, one way or the other, bun make. Don't. So what Jay say? Joanne.
Take time, cut and fold this something.
Joanne, this is a cut and fold. When you use the electric thing, it not go fast on us. It not go woof 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 woof. Eh?
I don't know. Don't have old fashioned way you say Adi?
Yeah.
You have electric thing?
They know new old fashioned this. I mean, here I am teaching you where I make this thing over century. And me just start make it like 1 century ago.
Take your time, man.
And
Take
I
some
wait.
something and make it something.
Hello, me not take no time. People, me not take no time. And it will come out good. Trust me. Trust me. Me and Joanna get all the time for all kind of cooking thing. Because me are the best. And she are going like her, she are the best.
Yeah, you're not hard to shit about it.
Acting like she's the best.
So, me brownie. You want more brownie or you like that already?
Leave it right as it is. Right as it is.
Me forgot if you pick up the honey if you
Not going no darker. Joy, I see drop and come, drop and catch. Watch it, watch it, watch it. See? Drop and come. People, look at it. When old fashioned, you done Joan. Young blood time. Hey, you know watch the move of the wrist, you know. Oh. Watch the move of the flip of the wrist. Yeah. One couldn't believe how one fart I used to make this so mild. You know? Keep going, keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more long. Yeah, we have to make a mess anytime man do anything, you know. Yeah. People, a long time I do them, I'm tired.
I'll me tell this guy, say no, he mix it something so. Until I mix it so. So you go.
Alright, do you want to take a mix?
Me nah finish
because
it.
me bring it this far.
No, that's a thing you go so.
Because me bring it this far. Because I brought it this far. Yeah? Is that ready? It look to me as if it's ready.
You throw the rest of flour in there.
Alright.
6 cups of flour to be 2 here.
People, you hear that number there? And that's how I do it, you know. I make one cake, and if some left over.
A bun where I make. Don't have old fashioned way you say, Adi?
Yeah.
You have electric thing?
Then a new old fashioned this. I mean, here I am teaching you where I make this thing over century. And me just start make it like 1 century ago.
Take your time, man.
And
Put some something and make it something.
Hello, me not take no time. People, me not take no time. And it will come out good. Trust me. Trust me. Me and Joanna get all the time for all kind of cooking thing. Because me are the best. And she are going like her, she are the best.
Yeah, you're not hard to shit about it.
Acting like she's the best.
So, me brownie. You want more brownie or you like that already?
Leave it right as it is. Right as it is.
Me forgot if you pick up the honey if you
Not going no darker. Joy, I see drop and come, drop and catch. Watch it, watch it, watch it. See? Drop and come. People, look at it. You see it here? Testing it. You see? It's running. You know, I'll put a little tape more in there. A little bit more Guinness. Yeah, make it a little. Yeah, a little bit lighter. I'll go with the foil, yeah.
Smell next time. Just wheel this up a little bit. Little bit. You don't want to put too much air in it.
Your spinning and my spinning is different, Joanne.
Alright.
Every day me and you cuss about them are sitting here. No, sir.
Yeah, you know, that's beside it.
Alright. Alright. Wait when me bake my bread. And you talk to me, Joanne.
Anytime I bake my bread are better than your bread.
But a competition with the
Anytime you challenge me.
competition is alright. So we people, we have the thing them at preheat, so we come back to this in a second. This segment is brought to you by Guinness. Oh, there Joanne go. Yeah. Just I take with time, have a little moment and so forth. In case you wonder what them young G's doing, I'll bring you out there so you can see. So we were supposed to set up the studio, but that's what they're doing. So we're not setting up the studio. I want to set the studio up by myself, yeah? Alright. So we preheat with oven now. Yeah? We never have no molasses to put in the thing, so we preheat with oven. You know? Preheat with oven. You know, eat my dinner yet, you know? Some cow foot. Nice cow foot. But it missing the bean. Yeah, and some dasheen in a pot, yeah, but them kind of overcooked cause me that eagle. But nevertheless, them will go down in this, yeah. Yeah. Now, you know what we know? We have the pan them grease up. This is with olive oil, virgin olive oil, and this is butter. Because I believe in virgin olive oil. Joanne believe in a butter. And near butter, because this not look like a grease, none at all. Near butter for the one. Alright? So, for people, anyone burn up? Or Joanne? Alright, we go like this. It's the pour for me. It's the pour for me. Oh,
Put it back.
oh,
Put it back. I mean, I set for you. To eat your dinner.
These buns. These buns. Yeah.
No, look like you want the next one.
People, even me wrong enough people can me think we will get 3 out of it, you know, but it look like a 4, you know.
No, that's 3, that's only 4. 1 over 10 should be.
I promise you that.
Alright, now pull up too much.
Pull up too much already.
Yeah, pull up it too much.
And here we go with the fourth. It's not the fourth one, it's going to be
That's about thin enough.
That's how I like it. This is paper. This
It will come up here.
It's going to be like paper.
It will come right up.
Like paper. Go take up your dinner and go and do that. I got it now.
What's in mine? That's me ask what. Jello me want to eat with dinner over there, so.
You have 2 plates in front of you, sir.
Is that over there? Opening.
That's nothing more. Yeah. Yeah, as
Them are going to the road now and go be a fish. 1 hour.
go put it in the oven for 1 hour now, yeah? Then kind of broad, the pan them kind of broad. You know, of course, I don't want to text us with it, so you don't know the thing set up. Yeah. We'll put them in the oven, you know?
Yeah, you need to put my Korean pan it up.
Sit down, no.
Eh?
No.
Alright. You say just sprinkle pan water, alright?
No, we're not. Cruising at 350. Yeah, degrees. Well, put them in. Make them go on easy, like Sunday morning. Yeah.
Push over one and put the next one. Put the phone. I don't want to put no pan in there.
Alright, what can you do? Lock up that.
Then what?
People. There's a door closed. Door locked. Door unlocked. Alright. And there's a thing there. So now people we're gonna wait. In the meantime, we're gonna eat some curd goat and some cow foot. Yeah. See you now. I tell you, Sita, we eat some lamb curry. And some real cow foot. Cow foot. From that dream. Hunting. From who? Who that, Liz?
You want upstairs?
That Miss Art. Long time now.
Then you have to go in the figure I call for big. You have to go in and
Somebody tell me why. Cow foot have it so bony. And we Jamaican love it so. You want to say it have a bony figure I call. My God.
That stuff is strong.
People.
They want to feel food, just feel.
Yeah, so cheers. Whilst we wait on the bun them for beef, alright? Trust me and believe when I tell you this. That we're getting there. We're getting there. Oh crap. I want to say thanks to all my friends and YouTube community for allowing me to have that successful live last night leading to this morning. I must say thanks. All right, truly, truly, truly amazing. Yeah, check us out on the Edge of Duty with yours truly, Cleon, where we chat up a storm and try to use real life scenarios, occurrences, and stuff to inspire motives, right? The motive that's within you, we try to inspire that, yeah, by using real life experience and scenarios, you know, to try and cultivate our minds so that we can make the best decisions, you know, and be the best of ourselves. Yeah. In the meantime, I go up on the computer. I start it back up because I give it a rest time because we did a long stream and stuff. So I start it up back and then we link up when the bun them come out of the oven. Alright, guess what? The bun them done. And let me get the job for glaze them, alright? So you know what it takes to glaze them, so I'm gonna make up some real marmalade. Marmalade make a use. Marmalade. I use what I have, so I'm gonna use some marmalade and cherry juice and something. Alright my people. See it here? When you just come out here, see how they look? Yeah man. So you think they look man. But guess what? When we're done, different thing. So watch how we're gonna deal with the thing now. Should I use some sugar to do this thing, no? Vanilla too. So yeah, a marmalade I put in on this one. Get the orange taste. Like a tip of vanilla. Whoa! Yeah. And yes, I like that. Mix it up. Make a syrup. Yeah. You don't know. Now grab me. Jerk in. Right here. Good. Jamaican pumpkin now when I come from Mexico. Mexico. Alright. Put on my glaze for me. Old fashioned way, that's car seat there.
cake. We're gonna make cake today.
Easy Ken. Easy Ken. Come on. Easy Ken. She's a small one, you know.